important than a helmet.
Real good. After I test you, I'm sending you out to a bike.
So a couple years ago, the PE department, we put in this big grant to get about 6-7 trailers worth of bikes to be able to teach kids about bike skills, bike safety. It's a brand new curriculum this year, and so I'm one of the first few to really implement it, and I believe these kids are the first of the year to have the bikes.
My favorite part was the red light, green light, because it's an actual life lesson. When there's like cars like not stopping, you have to stop so the cars can go first or you can go first.
I've learned how to adjust your helmet, how to adjust your bike, and how to ride your bike.
One of the cool things about the new curriculum is that no matter the skill level of the biker in each class, it is adapted for them to be successful. So for example, I have about 5 or 6 kids at minimum for every single class that have never been on a bike before. And so one of the adjustments I make is I take off one pedal for them. And so they work on the balance, but they're able to be successful. Every single kid that I've had taken a pedal off for, by the end of this unit, they are pushing and gliding. I've essentially turned it to a balance bike for them, but they are able to be successful and able to do all the skills that the more experienced riders are doing. And so these kids, they just light up when they're finally able to ride a bike and just even sit on a bike.
I've learned actually how to ride a bike because I never learned how to ride a bike before this. It was super fun. I learned a lot, like how to safety hazards and just like how to check your bike to ride your bike.